Hello, this is Chuck at Aquatic Artists, and we've been building waterfalls for over 20 years and have a lot of happy customers with beautiful waterfalls in the ground. So right here we have the Batista project. Originally, we built a small classic waterfall on their pool, and then a couple years later, the customer wanted to make the waterfall bigger. So we came in, we disassembled the waterfall, put mats down to protect the yard, and we made the waterfall larger. It went from about 2 feet high to about 3.5 feet high, and as you can see, the back tier of the waterfall is much more dramatic, and it gave it a much more appealing look. The second project is the Ellis project. We originally built a small 2-tiered classic waterfall, and the customer wanted to add a slide. So we came in, we disassembled the waterfall, we had to tie into the plumbing and split the plumbing to go to the waterfall and then to the slide. We came in with concrete footings and we set those around the pool, and then we installed the slide and then did all the rock work back around the waterfall and slide area, and then put in a flagstone walkway to the slide. This came out really great. The customer loved it and the kids loved it. In addition to upgrading your Aquatic Artist water feature, we offer a line of Genesis waterfall accessories designed to complement your backyard waterfall. Utilizing rock, wood, rope, and fire, we offer accessories such as fire features, fire pits, tiki torches, and benches that will look amazing in your backyard around your water. So give us a call and let's discuss how we can upgrade your backyard resort.